Good morning, everybody. The reason we're doing this is because the weather has been so bad that we've not been able to get out on the bike to give you any fresh video footage. So I was going through some of the old footage that I have there that I haven't used, and I've just noticed that I swear an awful lot, don't I? I don't know if that's actually come across in the rest of the videos, but I definitely say things like fuck and arsehole and bastard and lots of other sweary words that we use in Scotland just as part of our language. So I decided that I was going to give you a little collage of all the wee, or not all of them, but a small portion of the wee sweary episodes within the video footage that I've taken. So enjoy yourself and I'll speak to you later. Cheers. To get a cup of coffee. Fucking arsehole, you man. I can't believe a fucking bus juice would do that. Fucking dickhead. Fucking hell, man. Oh, that's fucking illegal, mate. Fucking arsehole, man. Not a fucking... Total fucking dickhead, man. Total dick. Arsehole, man. Fucking hell, man. Just slammed the anchors on at the last minute and changed his direction. Unbelievable. Fuck's sake, man. Fucking dickhead, man. A complete and utter fucking dickhead, mate. Fucking hell, man. Fucking into a taxi rank. Stupid woman, man. You fucking idiot, man. Fucking hell, man. Dickhead, man. Oh, it's the same dickhead yesterday. Fuck's sake. This is a fucking... You joking me on, mate? Fuck's sake, man, move! It's a fucking joke, mate. A fucking arse. Come on, mate, fuck's sake. It's really fucking slippy. Back end just went totally away from me there with that drainer. Literally as soon as I took the bike out, this happened. Starts pissing the rain. What a shitty day, man. I reckon as soon as I walk out the bastard door. Fucking hell, man. Fucking dickhead. Indicate, you fucking dick. Fucking sees me sitting there waiting, still can't he indicate? Fucking arsehole, you. What the fuck, man? What the fuck are you doing, man? You're fucking slamming the anchors on there. Fucking 30 mile an hour, not 20. Come on, man. Fuck me. Fucking dickhead, man. fucking arsehole, man. This fanny, right in the corner he parks every single night. You're a fucking idiot, man. You're a fucking idiot. So that's it, folks. Hope you all enjoyed that. There's loads more swearing on there if that's what you want to see, and as soon as the weather's a bit better we'll get out on the bike, alright? Fuck off.